Hello, my darlings. Today I'm going to share with you certain fears and phobias related to pregnancy. So, there are lots of pregnancy problems which happens, but do you know there are certain serious phobias related to pregnancy? I'm going to share a story of one of my clients with her permission. She had rather a very serious phobia related to pregnancy. It is called techophobia. You can google about it, all right? In which, when she came to me to become pregnant, and she came along with her past baggage where she had multiple health issues, PCOS, PCOD, which I took care of through my program with pregnancy yoga, Garbha Sanskar, etc. But along with that, she came with a lot of emotional baggage of having techophobia. Now, techophobia is fear of getting pregnant, and her phobia was so severe where she could not even look at a pregnant belly, and she had made a decision of being pregnant. Imagine that. Now that needs courage, right? And I really applauded her courage. But we also had to take care of this along with taking care of her hormonal issues, her health problems. I had to take care of something very serious, a phobia. And with my pregnancy yoga program, the prenatal development program, Garbha Sanskar, Garbha Samvad, she managed releasing the phobia with a lot of counseling and therapy as well. And this is amazing news. Now she has released the phobia. She's in her second trimester. She is doing extremely well. But this is something which we really need to understand. There are a lot of emotional issues which a lot of pregnant women have, which they don't talk about. Yes, they talk about maybe physical pain, maybe back pain, etc. You would go talk about it, but whom do you speak to about certain stress, certain anxiety, certain emotional discomfort? Imagine that you are going with all these fears, with all these emotional disturbance and discomfort, and you're suppressing it. How painful it must be. Most of the pregnant women who have come to me, they don't know how to manage along with their physical health, mental health. They don't know how to manage their emotional health. What is your state of your physical, mental, emotional health? Once you receive this video, you share it with me, and I want you to make a list of all your fears which you have related to your pregnancy. I have another client of mine who came with she was pregnant, but then she came with lots of fears related to her baby's health. Now that is very normal, right? You have fear related to how your baby's health is going to be, but her fears were very dangerous. She had fears related to, will her baby be born natural and normal? Yes, she was scared if the baby is going to be born with a lot of abnormalities, maybe physically differently abled, maybe mentally challenged, and that's the reason she was delaying her process of getting pregnant. She came to me, she got pregnant, but during her pregnancy, this challenge was crazy. Can you believe it that these kind of fears can create a havoc? And understand one thing, that's what Garbha Sanskar principles can help you in. Garbha Sanskar is nothing but it is the values you can inculcate into your baby while you're pregnant in the womb. So you are training your baby, you are giving the right set of values, and imagine you install all these fears to your baby. Once you install all these fears to your baby is going to be born with all the fears. So how do you deal with these fears, this stress, anxiety related to your pregnancy? What are you doing about it? Do you even discuss it with someone? Do you have a proper guidance, a coach, a pregnancy expert who can help you how to deal with this and manage this? It must be so stressful, so painful. Do you know that postpartum depression is very common? There are a lot of celebrities who come and who talk about it. Many of them have spoken about it, like from like for example, Shilpa Shetty spoke about it. Most importantly, Samira Reddy is one of the most vocal activists who speaks about postpartum depression, and you can go check out. It is very severe, very intense. So how it happens, it's all accumulated pent up emotions and stress which you could not address, where you didn't have the right means to manage it, and it kept getting, piled up. And then after pregnancy, during pregnancy blues, all these things it gets, and then it gets piled up and it comes out post pregnancy. And that is the time where a lot of women who have got pregnant and they have kind of got detached with their baby. It happens with many of them. A lot of women during pregnancy, another fear I'm sharing with you, they have this fear of being a new mom. Do any one of you have this fear of being a new mom? You're scared when your baby is born, whether you'll be able to bond with your baby or no. So these kind of fears are very genuine, right? Which one of these do you connect with? Let me know. I would like to know, and I would love to help you out. What are the fears related to the pregnancy which you are facing and you need help with? Share with me. I would love to help you. I've been there in this industry for over 15 years now. I've trained over 2 lakh plus people. I have been helping many pregnant women for years together to have a healthy, comfortable, easy pregnancy and natural and comfortable childbirth, and have a healthy and smart baby. I'm on a mission to help 1,000 pregnant women this year to achieve this, so that they can not just have a good pregnancy experience for themselves, they also have a healthy, smart, intelligent baby, and they can define the future generation for their family and for our country. No, don't you think that would be great? Do you want me to include in this mission? Make sure you connect with me, reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you. Make sure you attend the workshop live. I'll be sharing a lot of ways how to handle these fears and get rid of your pregnancy fears and move from fear to faith. This is Naushina Shaikh, your friendly pregnancy yoga expert. Have a great day. Thank you.